The Milwaukee M18 FPS55 cordless plunge saw is one of the most anticipated tools ever. Having this tool as a part of the M18 fuel range is a big deal. Milwaukee fans have been hanging on a thread for this thing to be released. It's finally here. Now it's obvious Milwaukee put some serious time into developing this saw. They worked with end users when developing this model to really tackle some of the key issues that were faced with the older and the corded plunge saw. The first area they looked at with power, and this plunge saw packs a punch. This saw has an impressive variable speed ranging from 2,500 to 5,600 RPM. You're getting power at the same level of a corded plunge saw, but with the portability of a cordless. As part of Milwaukee's fuel range, you know that you are getting the best from your batteries with a fully brushless motor, intelligent batteries and overload protection. However, it is worth noting that a tool like this partners perfectly with the M18 high output batteries. So if you're looking for maximum performance, then it's definitely worth picking one. The 165mm blade will cut anything from 1/4 inch plywood all the way up to 2 1/4 inch hardwood, such as your solid oak. No one likes a big clean-up after the job's done, and with this saw, you'll see up to 90% dust collection, regardless of if you're using a dust extraction system or just a dust collection bag. Now, the final thing Milwaukee really looked at seems to be a bit of an obvious one, but it's the quality and ease of cutting with this thing. The machine has bevel stops at 22.5, 45 and 48 degrees, and also has a -1 degree stop for making those back cuts. It has a scoring stop that minimises splintering in laminates and work surfaces, and it even has a handy cut line window, for when you need to see the front of the blade when working against the material. Milwaukee's combination of the brand new fuel plunge saw and the M18 high output batteries are a perfect way to give you the power of a corded machine with the portability of cordless. And you can get the FPS55 fuel brushless plunge saw from Milwaukee right now at its.co.uk.